Welcome to DonnieryCabralOfficial. My goal today is to teach you how to create this super crispy, super juicy pork belly Lechon Kawali. Let's prepare the ingredients. So the first part of this video will focus on how to make our pork tender and will give it more flavor. First, we need to slice some garlic and onions. Get a medium pot and place them all there. I got here some lemongrass. Using the back of your knife, pound the lemongrass with it, and that will extract its flavor. The pork belly that I got is a little large, so I cut it in half. While doing your grocery, you can see sometimes the thin slices of pork for Lechon Kawali. Don't use that here. Use the thick version. Place your pork inside your pot. Fill it up with water. Bring your pot over to the stove. Let's start cooking. I almost forgot, add some peppercorns. Bring this to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes. When making crispy pork belly, moisture is the enemy. Using some paper towels, pat it dry. This step is very important. To achieve that chicharon style, poke some holes using the fork in the skin of your pork belly. My friend Don created his own version of Lechon Kawali. You may want to check it out if you haven't seen it yet. I included the link to his website in the description. And using a paring knife, score some lines in the skin of your pork belly. to help release the moisture from the pork, we will add some salt. Lots of salt. So what we will do next is we'll refrigerate this pork belly uncovered overnight. And I will see you tomorrow. The next day, you will see that the pork has gone dry, and using some more paper towels, wipe off some excess moisture. Preheat your oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Since we removed some of the salt when we wiped off the moisture off the skin, it's time to replenish some of it. Turn over your pork belly and add more salt. We will cook our pork belly this way with skin side down. Roast your pork belly at 390 degrees for 1 hour. After an hour, turn over your pork belly, and this time with the skin side up, roast for additional 10 minutes. It's time to check our pork belly. Look how beautiful this is. I know you're eager to taste it, but we need to let it rest for 10 minutes. I enjoy my pork belly with corn cooked in butter, and I like it with the dipping sauce Mang Tomas or pinakurat. Stop, look, and listen. This is my perfectly splendid, super crispy, super juicy pork belly Lechon Kawali. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.